Being an educator and learning environment designer in the information age requires some careful and critical reflection about how we view technology and the relationship of people to technology. At times it feels that technology is driving educators rather than the other way around. Some educators are actually fearful of technology and what it represents. In my own research, I have noted that these fears fall into four categories. Fear of new ways of learning, fear of new ways of teaching, employment security, fear of change and being overwhelmed, too much of a time commitment, fear I will look like I don't know what I'm doing, being exposed. However, once these fears are acknowledged and confronted, faculty often undergo significant changes in their attitude toward technology and their own practice as a result. Furthermore, as they realize the power of technology, they see some of the new possibilities for teaching with technology and engaging their students in a variety of creative ways. Lastly, I always point out that technology and connectivist learning theory enable communication between individuals and groups via multiple channels. It is the very nature of internet architecture that there is nearly always a way to communicate with a connected individual even if one or more channels is disrupted. When instructors ask me what they should do if the LMS or school website goes down, I point out that the internet was designed to have multiple channels operating simultaneously to limit disruption of information sharing. When we create YouTube channels, yellow dig sites, Facebook and Twitter accounts, and even old-fashioned email, we are creating new channels through which information can flow from person to person and into groups. So this means we no longer have to cancel our face-to-face class on snow days if our course information is online. Students can access course information 24/7 whenever they need it. The only question then becomes, how do we as educators and learning environment designers manage the relationship between technology and human beings? We know that internet channels can help us survive downtime, but how important are the human channels to survival in the information age?